Hi guys, in this video I am going to show Dream11 team generator. It is basically a team generator of Dream11 according to its rules, based on the players that you have selected in this application. So this is how it looks whenever you launch this application. Here it is asking for three positions here, three options here. One is choose the match, and the other one is match result, and the other one is change player data. Match result is nothing but after generation of the teams, if you want to know the result, you have to click on this one. So basically we haven't chosen any match before, so let me choose the match. So this is how it looks, where you have to choose the two teams in which the match is in between. So here I am selecting two teams, RCB versus Mumbai Indians. One thing you should remember is that before selecting these two teams, you have to make sure whether the players of these two teams have the same credits that they have on the Dream11 app. For example, here RCB, let me select, choose, continue. And after that you have to change the player credits if it was changed in the Dream11. For example, if AB de Villiers has 10.5 credits in the Dream11, then you have to change it here. And also the player role means whether the player is batsman, bowler or wicket keeper. I forgot to mention here that the player role means 1 for wicket keeper, 2 for batsman, 3 for all-rounder and 4 for bowler. So for example, if AB de Villiers sometimes will be there in wicket keeping section, then you have to change the 2 with 1. That is what I am saying. And after all the changes were made, you have to come to the bottom and click on update. So you will be done with the players data. So after that you have to choose the match as usual. So here I am selecting RCB versus Mumbai Indians. So then after that you will be asked match number. Match number is something like a password to this match. You have to set any number you want, but make sure that it should not match. If you want to make any future predictions, then it should not match this match number. So let me give a number like any random number like 28. So after that continue. And then you will be asked to select at least 6 players from each team. That means you can select up to 11 players from each team. So what I recommend is that if you select as less number of players, then you have higher chances of winning the match. So what that means is that if you select 15 players out of 22 players, top 15 players, then generating the teams in that 15 players will be very easy when compared to generating the teams from 22 players. That's what I'm saying. So let me quickly select the players that I feel like they will perform in this match. So after that you have to select other team as well. So I am selecting the players that I felt that they will perform better. That is completely up to you. You can select your playing top players that are in your mind. After that you have to click on continue. And then you will be asked how many teams you want to generate. Here you can generate teams between 11 to 3333. That is completely up to you. Whatever teams you want to generate, that many teams you can generate. So here let me generate 100 teams. So you can see all the teams are generated very nicely. You can see all the teams are generated and all their credits are also there. You can see I said 100 teams to be generated, and you can see all the 100 teams are generated, which is very, very good. And after that, after generation of the teams, you have to print this. If you want, you have to print this and join these teams in your Dream11 contest. If you want to generate 11 teams, it will be also good, as long as you have generated with very less within very less players. What I mean is that if you can find out top 14 or top 15 players, then this application is absolutely beautiful for you. It will definitely work for you to win more money. So after that, after generation of the teams, if you want to print, you can print, and after that you have to go to home and wait till the match is completed. After joining all these teams, then after that, after the match is completed, you have to come to the match result section. you have to come to the match results section and then enter the same match number that you have given previously. Here I have given 28, that's why I am entering the same number. After that you can see it is asking kindly update player points from Dream 11. So you can see the player points from in Dream 11 after the match completed. So you have to go to this section and update the points from watching from Dream 11 app. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna fill out all these players list using Dream 11. So you can see that by default every player has 0 points. So the player who have points only you have to update. So let me quickly update from Dream 11 app. So here you can see I have updated all the player points from Dream 11 app. After that you have to click on update points. So here you can see match results. You will be again redirected to home. After that you have to click on match results and same match number you have to given to this match number. So you can see before it was saying that you need to update the points. As after that you can see you have clearly see the see results option here. This is the attempt we have made just now. If we want to make another attempt within this match also, you can we can do the same, but you have to give the same match number to that attempts also, then only it will come under this match. So you can see results option here. After that you can see, let me click on see results, and here you can see all the players top 10 teams of the generation have been showing here. You can see it was saying 856 is my topmost point and the second topmost point has 840 points. For this match I have joined 49 rupees contest which has the first prize of 1 crore rupees. So here you can see the picture that the first team have got 858 points. That means we are just 2 points short of the first team which have got 1 crore rupees in the contest. So you can see the dream team as well, and you can see the first team which have got 1 crore rupees also. It is just 2 points short of what we have got. We have just our team just got 2 points short. If we have joined this team we would have got 25 lakh rupees for sure. That is what if we have joined this team we would have won 5 lakh rupees according to the contest. So you can see I think you love this video, and if anybody want this code please contact me. I will share my contact details in the description and in the comment section below. It works both in computer and in mobile. So those who want to make this work in computer and in mobile, so you can check out this video description that I have already given the videos that how you can run this application on your mobile and as well as in your laptop. So I'm not gonna give this for free at all. I'm gonna charge 100 rupees for you. So I would have given free for you, but as of now I'm not in that position to give it to you for free. So I will charge 100 rupees. Those who have wanted to buy this one, please go contact me. I will provide my WhatsApp number and Gmail in the description as well as in the comment section below. You can see the results are awesome. You can generate how many teams you want. That is completely up to you. I hope you guys love this video, and if you like this video, please like this video, and if you don't like this video, go ahead and dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.